Good morning, children. Children, as you know, we are doing chapter 5 exponents, and in this chapter, students, we have done exercise till 5.3. Now, students, today we will start our exercise 5.4 with new topic scientific notation. Students, this is the last exercise and today it will be finished. And by this, students, today we will finish chapter 5. So, students, scientific notation. Students, scientific notation means standard form. Suppose students anything is given in the normal form. Here we will take example. Something is given in the normal form, then we are to convert this into the standard form. Standard form means students k into 10 to the power m. This is the standard form. K, this is the small k into 10 to the power m. Where students the value of k will be between 1 and 10. The value of k will be between 1 and 10 and m will be a whole number. So students, here k into 10 to the power m, where the k is a number between 1 and 0. So the value of k should be between 1 and, it is 10. Between 1 and 10, and m is a whole number. M is a whole number and the value of k should be between 1 and 10. Students, it will be more clear by taking examples. So I have written here one example, that is distance between the sun and the earth is 149,600,000,000 meter. Student, this is the usual form. This is the usual form of distance between sun and earth. Students, this we are to convert into standard form. Now the question is why we are converting this in standard form? What is the need? So student, as you can see, this is a very big number. It will take time to read it. So let us learn an easier way to write. And this is the standard form. For this standard form, student, first of all we will count total number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total digits are 12. Now students, we will write only numbers 1, 4, 9, 6 and 10 power. Like this students, we have written this all numbers 1, 4, 9, 6 we will write and 0 we can leave. 0 we can leave and we will write multiply 10. Now total number was students 12. Total number was 12. So from 12 we will minus 1. It will be 11. So 10 to power will be 11. And we will we will put a decimal after 1. Because as we said, the value of k should be between 1 and 0, and it is the value of between 1 and 10. So this is the value of between 1 and 10, 1.496. Students, if you will write 14.96, then it will be wrong, because this is the 14 and the value of k should not exceed 10. It should be between 1 and 10. 1 and 10. So we can place decimal only after 1 and 10 to the power 11, because there is total number is 12 and 12 minus 1 there will come 11. Now students, more example we are taking. First is 38 means 38. Total number students, two numbers are here. So 338 multiply by 10. Total number 2. So total number is 2. So 2 minus 1, 10 power will be 1. And after 3 we can put decimal. Here students, total number are 3. So 10 to power will be 2. Because one number we will less. Total number 3, power will be 2. Total number 4, power will be 3. And after 3 we can put here decimal. Again 3800. Student, here there was no 0, but here zeros are given, so need not to write 0, because 0 we are not supposed to write. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 8 we will write, and 10 to power will be 3, because total number are 4. So power will be 3. Total number are 3. Power will be 2. Total numbers are 2. Power will be 1. After 3 we will put decimal. Students, again I am explaining why we are putting decimal after only one digit from the left side, because the value of k should be between 1 and 10, and 3 is between 1 and 10. Now students, exercise 5.4, question number 1. Students, now question number 1 is expressed in scientific notation. Usual forms given 892000000 and 000. So first of all we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total numbers are 12 students. So first of all 892 multiply 10 to power 11. Because total numbers are 12, so 1 we will minus from 12, that will be the power of 10. Now after 8 we can put decimal. Very easy. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total number are 4. So first of all we will write given number as it is, and 10 to power will be 4 because total number are 5. Now after 8 we can put decimal. So like this students, you can convert the given usual form in scientific notation. Now question number 2. Students, second number is expressed in usual form. Here standard form is given 2.38 10 to power 8. So first of all students, we will write 2.38 and we will extend 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 0 we will put, because 10 power is 8. Now student, we will remove decimal. When you will remove this point, 1 will come downside. Now after decimal, how many digits are here? 2 digits. So 2 0 will come downside. Now 2 0 we can cut by 2 0. Now what is remaining? 2 3 8 0 0 0 and 0 0 0. 6 zeros are here. Now we can put commas. So this is the usual form. What we have done? First of all we have expanded power of 10, that is 10 power 8. So 8 0 I have put here. Now after this I have removed this decimal. Now 2 0 cut with the 2 0. Now remaining part this is. Second part students, 4.111 multiply 10 power 6. It will be 4.111 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 0. Now we can remove decimal. So 1 2 3 digits. So 3 zeros will come. 3 0 can cut 3 0. Now what is remaining students? 4 1 1 1 and 3 0 only. 1 2 3. Now you can put commas after 3 digits. Okay students, now last question, question number 3. Question number 3 is students, express in scientific notation. Now first part is speed of light in vacuum is 3000 meter per second. So students, we are to convert in scientific notation 300000 and 000 meter per second. Total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 3 multiply 10 power 8. Because students total numbers are 9, so we will less one digit. 9 will be 8, so 10 power 8. And here only 3 will come, and here only 3 is given. No other number is there, so need not to put here decimal. Now one more part I am taking here. Students, here diameter of the sun is 1,400,000,000 meter. So you will write 1,400,000 and 000 meter. Students, now total number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 1 4 you will write. You will not write 0 zeros, and then total number was 10. So power will be 9, and this is the 14, and we are to convert this between 0 and between 1 and 10. So we can put here decimal. So 1.4 into 10 power 9. Here students, again I am explaining, there was only 3. So need not to put here decimal, but there what is given? 14. And you know this is the value of k, and the value of k should not exceed 10. It should be between 1 to 10. And to come in the range of 1 to 10, we are putting here decimal. Okay students? So students, now today we have done exercise 5.4 and we have completed chapter 5. Now students, in our next class, we will start new chapter. Okay students? Now complete chapter 5 in your maths register. Thank you and have a nice day all.